Within the timeless body is a state-of-the-art cockpit, with standard and available technologies from dual 12.3-inch displays, intuitive steering wheel touch controls, and voice control for the navigation, audio and numerous comfort features. Before it was an icon, it was a workhorse. A job that needed to be done. The first to arrive. The last to leave. Hope, delivered in a reinforced steel box. But before everything, it was a simple idea: there's no such thing as too far. Panoramic cockpit. Elevated moods. Change the cabin to suit your mood, or start a new one. An elaborate multi-zone LED ambient lighting system lets you choose among 64 colors, as well as a variety of motifs featuring 2, 5, or even slowly changing hues. Classic style, cutting-edge tech. Classically shaped lamps feature brilliant advances. Intelligent LED headlamps adapt to darkness, curves, and vehicles ahead. LED daytime running lamps encircle each unit. Even the fender-top turn signals and tail lamps employ 100% LEDs. Protective in nature. Or wherever you take it. A G-Class looks out for its occupants with a suite of safety advancements. Standard driver assists include blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist, active distance assist, Distronic cruise control, and speed limit assist. Disclaimer. Helpful connections. To help set you free. Mercedes Me Connect makes ownership easy. Remote start, lock or check your car, or book service, all from your phone. And add in-car Wi-Fi for up to 8 devices for a low monthly rate.